In one of my earlier videos, I said about always coming to the car and always finding the mat up underneath the pedals like this. I wanted to do something about it, but some clips or just to stop them sliding up. So with the mats that we've got these holes in ready to accept a clip, but there is no clip or anything in the carpet to accept them. So I've been online, I managed to find these clip things which hopefully should do the job. Just screw straight into the carpet, go through the hole, just a little twist on the top, and hey presto, so that should hopefully stop them from sliding up. So let's have a go. So I've just moved the chair back using the lever and just pulled the mat down as well into the position where I want it, and then just lifting the edge of the mat up. I've just put the clips in, not fixed them in or anything yet, I've just literally put them in, and now if I lift it up carefully, we should have our position where we want this one. So now I'm just going to get a driver, a little screwdriver, and just make a little hole. So right where the end of the clip is, I'm just going to make a small hole just in the carpet, just pushing it through. There we go, and then that should allow me just to screw the clip in. Give it a go. There we go, quite straightforward. Just getting it to finish so it's nice and sideways, because that's the shape of the hole in the mat, obviously side to side, so I want it to be like that as well. If I just move the mat down, give it a twist, hey presto, simple as that. So I'll do the other one and that should be it. Okay, so the second one was a little bit tougher to get in place, so I just had to use a pair of pliers just to spin it around to get it in the right place. But now it's in, let's move them out of the way. Pull the mat over, down, and hey presto, turn the clip, and there we go. Hopefully that won't be going anywhere. It feels really good, feels nice and solid. So yeah, another job. Time to do the other side and then that's it. So with this side, I'll hoover it out later obviously, I'm just going to do it a slightly different way. I'm just going to, with the mat in the right place, just going to make a hole in the centre of the hole of the mat where I want it. Just on both of them, one after the other. And then move the mat out of the way, screw them both in straight away and see how that works. Hopefully it'll work just as well. So this side worked a bit better actually, doing it that way. It was quite straightforward, very simple to do. Obviously all that's left now is to just clean the car, I'd say. But if you like that and it's a useful tip, then maybe I'll put a link to the clips in the details below. But for now, that's about it. But yeah, like and subscribe for more videos coming up soon. Thanks a lot.